Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps with the channel a ton, and I am grateful for it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page, or you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is basically a nice biology lab set. This is by a company called Kosmos, and it is the kids' first set. So once you open it up, you're going to get everything you need, especially for them to explore science and have a lot of fun around the house and around the yard. So right off the bat, you are going to get a nice 32-page little booklet here that has tons of different experiments. It tells you a little bit about biology, tells you about the labs, tells you how to kind of use stuff. So really, really great. It does have built in here 11 different kind of experiments or things to do as far as activities. So if they're not just wanting to explore on their own, they can do that. Now, you are going to get the microscope itself here. So as you can see, it has a nice little rubber bottom on it, and it has a lot of parts and pieces. So this thing can do the magnification of 96 times all the way up to 750 times. So it can magnify to a ton. Now, it's because it has 3 built-in lenses. So the base magnification of the microscope itself is 12 times to 18 times, but then down here on the bottom, you have 3 different lenses. So you have a 450 times, you have 750 times, and then you have 144 times. So you can just kind of move this around and adjust it depending on how quickly you want. You do have basically the little clamps here to clamp down your slide lenses. On the bottom part, you have a little dial here, and it's gonna have different screen filters. So you have a kind of just what I would say, a frosted one, then you have a green one, a yellow one, a red one, then you have more of a micro pinhole, an even smaller pinhole, then a large opening, then you have no filter at all, and then you're back to that kind of frosted one. So you have a lot of adjustment that you can do. As you can see, it's fully flexible, so that way it's comfortable for them to look through and see. You have your focus wheels on the side, once again, very easy to move, just like a regular microscope. And then on the bottom part, you can see you have this little flip. On one side is an LED light that lights up, so you can underlight it. The other side is a mirror, so you can investigate both sides, or you can put it in the middle if you want. But yeah, it automatically turns on when you rotate it, and it just has like a coin battery in there. So utilize. But in addition to that, you're gonna get everything you need. So first off, they are gonna get you started with 3 little samples here. You're gonna have a piece of cotton, a piece of silk, and a piece of wool, so you can compare all the different fabrics and what they look like, basically how big and thick they are. Then you are going to get essentially 4 of your own custom little slides here. Make sure they're nice and clean before putting your specimen on it. You are also going to get your 4 little cover slips, which are here in the nice little case. Now, to make sure you're properly placing your specimen, they are going to include a little dropper, so that way you can put a little moisture before you put on your cover slip. Make sure it's nice and clear. You are going to get a pair of little plastic tweezers, so you can grab your specimen without getting fingerprints. They are going to include a little needle, so that way you can move things around if you need to. They are going to include a little vial here in case you need to put anything into this as well. And then another cool aspect is they are going to give you a little slicer. So this is if you need to make a nice thin cut, like onion skin or whatnot. And how it works is you're just simply going to, there's a little twist button here. You're going to place it down, and you're just going to go ahead and spin it, and it will go ahead and make the nice little thin slices, so you can put it on your different pieces there. But you're going to basically get all those parts in pieces. But overall, it's just a really nice little STEM biology lab set. If you got somebody that's interested in science or just wanting to explore the world around them, this is a great way to do that, just with a lot of different options. It's a lot of fun, great way to learn. And for all those reasons, I do recommend checking this one out. If there's something I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.